Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Live channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you tricks and tips about psychology for marketing. If you want to know more, subscribe on channel and watch video to the end. We will start from colors. What describes some colors? Red, love, passion, aggression, dangerous, angry, power. Pink, innocence, cute, empathy, beauty, creative. Orange, warmth, sociability, friendly, happiness, cheerful, confidence. Yellow, madness, obsession, warmth, clarity. Green, nature, peaceful, growth, health. Blue, cold, trust, intellect, melancholy, passivity, calmness, dependable. Purple, fantasy, creative, wise, imaginative. Marketing psychology principle. Social proof. One idea for showcasing happy shoppers. When a current customer leaves you a good review, ask their permission to share the feedback on your social media pages. Scarcity. Applied to marketing, the scarcity principle means that consumers are more likely to buy something or pay more for it if they think the product is not short supply. Consumers don't want to miss out on a product or opportunity that may be gone soon. Scarcity creates a sense of urgency that encourages impulse purchasing. Reciprocity. Use this principle by offering free content such as ebooks or articles to get contact information potential customers. The first ad the customer sees should emphasize what they are receiving. Then ask for their contact information after they click on the offer. Lose aversion. To apply this marketing psychology principle, try reframing your current advertising around losses. If you offer free trials, remind the consumers of what they will be losing as their free trial comes to an end. Or say you offer free shipping after a customer orders goes beyond a certain price. If they move to checkout without reaching the total, show them amount they will lose to shipping costs compared with the amount they need to add to their chart for free shipping. The decoy effect. Use the decoy effect in your advertising by grouping items into sets of 3 instead of 2, with one option serving as the decoy. Example, buy 2 products, a t-shirts and jeans. You get the third product for free. Display the pricing of the individual elements compared with the full bundle. National Geographic, for example, uses the decoy effect when advertising their subscription options. Power words for your marketing. You make it all about the customer. Free. Who can resist a freebie? Because. Show them why they need it. Risk-free. They feel secure giving you their money. Secret. Everyone wants a special tip. Instantly. Promises a quick payoff. Limited time. Scarcity creates a sense of urgency. Easy. No one wants to deal with hassle. Don't miss. Capitalizes on fear of missing out. I hope you will try some of these tips and grow your business. Thank you for watching. If you like it, click on subscribe, click on bell and share with friends. See you in the next video. Bye.